Alright, so I'm gonna take this muzzle brake off right there using this and some pliers like this. Alright, first thing you're gonna do, kind of like prop it up a little bit where you can get closer to that right there. From what it looked like, it's like a little pin. Thought it needs to be just taken out. I'm gonna shave around it to make it easier. Alright, so almost got it there. Do it on the edges. Okay, so almost there. Okay, so what I had to do was put like a tiny drill bit like this into it and like just didn't like drill into it, just like kind of did that and put it out at the same time, and it came out. Now I'm gonna get some pliers so I can take it all the way off. Alright, I'm taking it off now. I already broke it, so it's able to come off now. Okay. Okay, it's starting to come off even more. Alright, it's off. Got a threaded barrel. That's what it looks like. Now put the suppressor on that I already have. Okay, I'm putting the suppressor on. Alright, I got it on. So it looks pretty real. Lay it down. Yeah. Looks pretty nice. Perfect fit for the P90. So that's how to take the orange tip off. Well, one of the ways. Because you can have glue stuck to it and you might have to burn it off or something like that. So I would say this is probably a more complex way. Kind of the easiest, but if you have the tools for it, then it's kind of the easiest.